Hey guys, welcome back to itsPriscillaMarie. Today I wanted to do a video on a palette that I've been using, but for some reason I haven't done a makeup tutorial with, which is odd. But it is the BeBella Pro Slayette. I don't know why I can't pronounce it. Slayette eyeshadow palette. And it has a lot of warms in it. I love that it has some blues and purples and pinks and yellows. So it's just a good mixture of a whole bunch of different colors. It's good again to travel because it does have a black in it and a very deep brown. You can do smoky looks. If you want to see more makeup tutorials using this palette, let me know. But today's look was kind of inspired by the fact that I'm going to EDC this year, again. I really wanted to do a little bit more of a colorful look for you guys. If you want to continue to see more videos using this palette, please let me know. Pigmentation in them are really good. I love the mattes. They're very pigmented. Some of the shimmers you do have to wear your brush a little bit to get a little bit more of a kick. But those I feel like are only with like the lighter shades, now not the blues or not the purples. Those do good by themselves. But that is pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. Love my heroes all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao. Alright, as always, go ahead and apply your favorite eyeshadow primer. I am using the Kat Von D High Voltage Eyeshadow Primer, and I'm blending that out with a little Sephora brush. Alright, so go ahead and set that into place. I am going into that lighter skin tone color, and I'm applying that all over to really set that primer into place to help the eyeshadows blend out a lot more smooth. Alright, now I'm going into a light orange shade, and I'm doing window wiper motions. This is going to be my transition shade. Again, window wiper motions just to help the transition smooth out. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a mixture of those two deeper orange shades, and I'm doing window wiper motions, and I'm kind of applying that messily into the crease just because I want it to be a nice deep color, but I do want it to be a little bit more, I guess you could say, transition, so I don't want to precisely put it in the crease. Blend. Right now I'm going into that deeper red color, and that one I am directly applying it into the crease. I am using the same brush just so that when I'm applying it, it kind of creates a gradient, and it also helps marry the colors together without it looking where one stops and one ends. And blending that all in. Right now I'm going to go ahead and put the Too Faced Glitter Glue Primer, and then I'm going right into that vibrant light blue shade, and I'm doing dabbing motions. I did not wet my brush. This is the true pigmentation of the eyeshadow, and I'm dabbing it to concentrate the color. Now I'm going into that deeper blue shade, and I'm applying that directly to the center of the eyelid. They create a nice gradient to each other. This is why I like applying them in that order. Right now I'm applying that purple shade, and I absolutely love this one. I think the next look I'm going to just put this all over my lid because it's so rich. And again, I did dabbing motions and blended it into that blue. Alright, this blue shade was actually the only one that gave me some trouble. It is a matte blue shade, and I'm doing window wiper motions just to help those colors all transition together. I did have to go in there a couple of times just to make sure everything is nicely blended. I didn't bring it up too high because I did notice it was giving me issues. So I just kind of kept it really into the crease, again, just to marry the colors, add a little bit more where I needed a little bit more pigmentation in certain eyeshadows. I did apply eyeliner off a camera, which is the next step. There we go. And then I went in with that purple shade, and I'm applying that all over the lower lash line. I did want it to kind of stand out because I wanted that purple, since it's in the outer corner and it gets lost a little, just to be a little bit more vibrant in the look. Alright, now I'm going in with that yellow shade. I'm applying that to the inner corner. And I didn't like how much it was popping, so I applied a little bit of setting spray just to give it more of a pop. Then I did apply a mascara and lashes off camera, and I have the DodoLashes in D119. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up. I love you guys all so much. Mwah. Ciao!
The world won't stop, so we won't stop neither. Gotta go sunlight, and we face them with no fear. And it's always on my mind.